scotch bonnet pepper on top. And I'm gonna also add my water crackers. Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some steamed fish. Yeah, I've done a steamed fish video before, but this one is a different one. This one I'm gonna add some crackers, some Jamaican water crackers to it, so it's completely different. So here I have some fish. It already washed, it is clean. Guys, I cannot remember the name of this fish, but I'm definitely gonna leave it below and tell you guys. So here I have some seasoning. So this is all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, some thyme, and some pimento seed, some salt, and some seasoned salt. So first I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together, and I also add some pimento seed, as you can see. So I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. Just put it all over my fish. And I'm just gonna take my hands and just massage my fish with that seasoning. Just make sure it's all in the center also. And the season that I had, guys, it is 1 spoonful of everything. Yeah, 1 spoonful. And you can always leave it to marinate, but I'm not gonna do that. And it's still gonna taste delicious. So here you have it. This is a finished seasoning now. So this is all my herbs. So here I have some okra, some pumpkin, some potato, garlic, bell peppers, all the colors, some spring onion, some scotch bonnet pepper, some onions, carrot, and some fresh thyme. And I'm also gonna use crackers. This is water crackers. You can also get it from your Caribbean shop or even online also. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 1 spoonful of vegetable oil. You don't need a lot. So first I'm gonna add all of my onions and my garlic, and I also add some tomato just to get the flavor going. Some chopped tomato. So now I'm gonna also add some boiling water to my pot. Around 1 cup, guys. And I'm also gonna add my pumpkin and my potato and my carrot. And you're gonna leave it for at least 15 minutes on a low heat. So it's been 15 minutes now. So after 15 minutes, you're gonna add your remaining season that left from when you were seasoning your fish. So now I'm gonna add that season that left. Let's give it a stir. So now I'm gonna add my fish. I'm gonna also add my thyme and my spring onions and my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna add the okra or the bell pepper as yet. I'm just gonna leave that till the last. And I'm gonna also add my butter. And guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add some Grace fish tea flavor soup mix. But this is totally optional, but this is gonna give it a nice flavor. So this is why I'm gonna add it. So here I have a strainer and I'm gonna strain the season because I don't want the noodle to get into it. That looks so good already. Look at that. This is gonna give it such a nice flavor. Believe me. And I'm gonna leave it for at least 15 minutes on a low heat. And I'm gonna also cover my pot. And you can also taste to your liking. So it's been 15 minutes and guys, that looks so good. It looks absolutely delicious. So now I'm gonna add my okra and my bell peppers. Scotch bonnet pepper on top. And I'm gonna also add my water crackers. And you're gonna leave it for at least another 10 minutes and it is finished. So just make sure your stove is on low heat because you don't want your fish to stick to the pot. So it is finally finished and this is what it looked like. It tasted so yummy and so delicious. I'm telling you. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Amazing. Absolutely delicious. It's so yummy. So I'm serving my steamed fish with some boiled dumpling and some banana and some potato. You can just have it as its own. You can have it with rice, whatever you preferred. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.